For sale, prime detached factory at Pulau Indah. Strategic industrial investment opportunity near Port Klang. Positioned within the fast-growing industrial hub of Pulau Indah, this well-maintained detached factory offers an exceptional opportunity for owner-occupiers, logistics operators, manufacturers, and long-term investors seeking strategic industrial assets close to Malaysia's main port and key highways. This income-generating property is currently tenanted, providing immediate rental yield and stable cash flow potential. Property highlights: detached factory. Land area, 1.44 acres. Built-up area, approx 35,000 square feet. Configuration, 2-story corporate office, 1-story warehouse. Ceiling height, 36 feet. Power supply, 250 amps. Floor loading, 2.5 ton per square. Loading bays, 4 bays. Tenure, leasehold expiring 2097. Current rental, Rm 49,000 per month. Asking price, Rm 13.6 million. Excellent industrial specifications. Designed for efficient industrial operations, the property features high ceiling clearance, strong floor loading capacity, and multiple loading bays suitable for warehousing and logistics, manufacturing, import-export operations, e-commerce fulfillment, distribution centers, heavy industrial storage. The functional layout allows smooth container movement and operational efficiency for modern industrial users. Strategic location advantages. Located within one of Selangor's most important industrial and logistics corridors, the property enjoys excellent connectivity to Port Klang, West Ports and North Port, Pulau Indah Highway, SKVE Highway, Kasos Highway, Shah Alam, Klang, Kuala Lumpur, KLIA, and KLIA-2. Its proximity to major ports makes it highly attractive for international trade, shipping, logistics, and export-oriented industries. Attractive investment opportunity. This property is ideal for local industrial investors, foreign manufacturing groups, logistics companies, institutional investors, industrial REIT-style buyers, businesses expanding into Malaysia's growing industrial sector. Investment strengths: immediate rental income, strategic port-centric location, high-demand industrial zone, functional detached factory design, strong future industrial growth potential, suitable for long-term capital appreciation. Why foreign investors like Pulau Indah? Pulau Indah has become one of Malaysia's most sought-after logistics and industrial destinations due to expansion of Port Klang activities, rising regional trade volumes, growth of e-commerce logistics, strong infrastructure development, competitive operating costs compared to Singapore and regional ports. The area continues attracting multinational manufacturers, logistics operators, and regional distribution hubs. Asking price, Rm 13.6 million. A rare opportunity to secure a strategic industrial investment with immediate income and strong long-term growth potential in one of Malaysia's premier logistics corridors. For more information and viewing, kindly contact Sunny PEA 391, BSc Engineering, UK.